Hello and welcome to Toothless Tesla. This is an update on the traffic complaint that I made against a Mercedes S500 class driver who cut in front of me in May last year. So a couple of days ago I received a letter from the police. That means it took 9 months since my complaint to the police until I actually found out the outcome of my traffic complaint. This is the letter that I received. So in May 2021, this Mercedes cut in front of me and I reported this to the police. It took 5 months until the court proceedings occurred. So from the letter it said that the driver was found guilty of careless driving. We don't know whether the driver actually turned up at court. I suspect not. So a guilty driver is fined 1,000 Hong Kong dollars, which is $125 in the US or 100 pounds in the UK. I was disappointed by this outcome because a financial penalty is not even a slap on the wrist. These people, when I say these people, I'm including myself, because as a car driver or a car owner in Hong Kong, we have disposable income. So, you know, a fine of $1,000, even if it's like 5 times more than this, is nothing. Parking fines here are even less. They are 320 Hong Kong dollars, 40 US dollars, which doesn't really mean much again. So with all these offences, financial penalties really do not have any impact. But yesterday I managed to talk to a police officer and he told me that there's an extra step involved in this process which the public are not aware of. Now this extra step involves the transport department. They will follow up on court proceedings with traffic offences, and anyone who is found guilty of careless driving will be contacted by the transport department and then issued a 5-point penalty deduction. Yes, 5 points. So if that is true, because this needs to be corroborated and confirmed, if it's true, then I'm actually glad that I made a report on careless drivers, because it will have an impact. What will have more impact is if more and more drivers in Hong Kong report or make these traffic complaints. The more traffic complaints are made and the more successful prosecutions that occur, then in the long run, driving will be safer in Hong Kong. You will have fewer incidents of careless driving because drivers in general will know that they are likely to be reported to the police and are likely to be fined, not just fined, but they're likely to have their points deducted on their license. So if this occurs at least 3 times, then their license will be suspended. So this will actually have a good impact. So I encourage everyone to report careless drivers. I mean, I will hold my hand up if I'm a careless driver and someone catches me driving illegally, then by all means report me and I will accept the consequences. Okay, I just hope that I drive responsibly enough to never have to actually go through this process of being reported. But if we know that we are doing this, traffic safety conditions in Hong Kong will improve. So that's my update. Thanks for watching and stay safe.